Peace, everyone. I just want to come here real quick and do a little unboxing or unpackaging. I just love getting packages, especially when it's from my sisters. So I ordered, use a little mess. Anyways, I ordered some self-care cards for my sis. Oh wow, it's beautiful. It says, "May these words be a light." Ooh. Sis. Look, okay. Let me wrap with y'all real quick. Okay, so these last couple of days have been like very transformative for me. I don't take any negative experience as like, oh, it was just shitty, like it was bad. No, it was transformative because I learned a lot, right? Anyway, today was the day where I like finally picked myself up out of the damn mud, right? So I was like, let me get my ass up, right? I got it up. I was like, let me go to the mailbox and just go check the mail. And then, of course, there was a message from me. And I appreciate you, sis, so much. But it says, Negasi, you are very powerful and will continue to make a way for others. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to put this right on my wall so I can see it every day. But, y'all, let's get into these cards, though. So, I'm going to see what prompt I'm going to do today. So these, like, came right on time. So, I love the packaging. You know, love it. And, like, it'd be cute to put, like, a little tag right here. Boom. Hang them up. And this is a card. It says, I will help you explore the depths of who you are with various self-care tools such as writing, audio prompts, so that you can learn, nurture, and heal yourself. And then she has her social medias, and it says Goldn.Light self-care, taking care of our mental, spiritual, and emotional and physical self. How to use, and then there's the cards. Look how beautiful they are. Thank you so much, Goldn.Light. I will drop her social media as well for anyone interested. Peace.